Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Nicklix. So today we will be learning how to implement joins in PHP. So for that we need two tables. That is, one I have made a student record table that contains the record of the student with the name as student name, address, and the phone number. And the second table is student result that will display the results of that particular student. So what do we need is we need a single table in which student record as well as the result of the student should be displayed. So that is possible only with the help of join. So in order to fetch record from both the tables, what we need a connection. The database name is JDS1. I can specify here is if the connection not made, then it will display as the message failed. So now I'm implementing the query. Let it be this htdocs, and we can have joins demo1 .php. Okay, so what I need here is I will be referring both the tables, like it's select star from so we were like we are having two tables. Like what I'm going to refer here is select star from student records, and it's record comma and student result. I'm giving its name as SR, and to student record I'm giving its name as STR. So here now in the case of what does this star means? This star means that I am fetching all the columns of student record table as well as all the column of student result table. But for the right now I need only name, address, and phone number from student record table, and only the result column from the student result table. So what I will specify here is that student record dot star. That means that I have selected all the columns of student record table, and SR. SR is my student result table because I have created an alias of student result. So I need only result column. So I can specify here as SR dot result from student str, and where now student record has a primary key. It's a student record, the name is str.id. This id is primary over here, and in the student result table this is basically the same id which I am referring here in student record table id column. So here it becomes the foreign key. So what I am going to do here is str.id means student record.id equals to where equals to student result means sr dot stid means this column where it matches. So I'm going to now execute this query. Now I'm going to fetch this result. So I'm going to make a table, simple table over here, so that all the records should be displayed in my table only. I will make a column, let it be its name, address, and phone number and result, right? So name, address, phone number, and result. Name, address, phone number, and result. So here I will just close, and here table row, then table data. So row, it's st name, st address, st phone, and the last I need is st result, that is available in my this result table. So let's check what it's giving me. uh, it's joins demo 1. So something, I have fetched the name, phone number and result column, but something wrong is been there in the rest field. STAO, it's triple S. So if I'm going to refresh here, it's displayed. So the name, address and the phone number is being displayed from the student record table, but the student result table, the result column is displayed from the student result table. So in this way we can join two tables and can display data in the single table. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to follow me on Nicklix on Facebook as well as YouTube. Thanks for watching.